Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in Asian Paints turned into 33.12 crores today. Asian Paints is India's largest paint and coating producer with a market share of around 50% in the domestic paint market. Asian Paints founded in 1942. It is the most trusted and well-established brand in India. Asian Paints have the global presence in India, Egypt, Bangladesh, Middle East, Nepal, Sri Lanka, etc. They have the very good product portfolio of paint products, resources, and others. In paint products, you see interior, exterior, wall paint, product finder, waterproofing, etc. And they provide services of painting services, interior design services, etc. Asian Paints 10,000 INR investment growth. In 1982, Asian Paints issued the IPO at the rate of 13 per share. And for investment of 10,000, you will get 769 shares and the face value of 10. In 1985, Asian Paints issued 3:5 bonus ratio. Total number of shares you will get 1,230 and the face value remains 10. In 1987, Asian Paints issued 1:2 bonus ratio. Total number of shares you will get 1,845 and the face value remains 10. In 1992, Asian Paints issued 3:5 bonus ratio. Total shares you will get 2,952 and then face value remains 10. In 1996, Asian Paints issued 1:1 bonus ratio. Total number of shares you will get 5,004 and face value remains 10. In 2000, Asian Paints issued 3:5 bonus ratio. Total number of shares you will get 9,446 and face value remains 10. In 2003, Asian Paints issued 1:2 bonus ratio. Total number of shares you will get 14,169 and face value remains 10. In 2013, Asian Paints had a stock split, that's 1:10. So every one stock you held, you get 10 stocks. So total number of you will get 1,41,690 stocks. The face value now come to 10:1. The current market share of Asian Paints is 2,338. The total shares you held in your account is 1,41,690 shares. The total return amount is 33 crores, 12,71,220 INR. Asian Paints dividends. 1,41,690 shares into 32.40 INR. That is the dividend last 1 year the Asian Paints was given. So total amount is 45,90,756 INR is the dividend Asian Paints given in the last year. If you invest today in Asian Paints shares, you will not get return like this. Asian Paints grew as the large cap company, but you have to find the future company like this. In the last 1 year, Asian Paints 1 year return of minus 30.82% and the last 5 years, the absolute return of Asian Paints is 33.25% and the average return for last 5 years 6.65% only. Keynotes, earlier few companies have given these kind of returns. Infosys, Reliance and Titan etc. were the few multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research, invest in 20 to 25 stocks, invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. Any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately and hold the other stocks will give you the more possibility to get the return like this. And that's it about the video friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more financial videos.